guys. I think we're getting kind of closer. Last time I think I videoed was back there at the end of the gorge, valley, whatever you want to call it. It's a little tricky. It's interesting. It's pretty fresh. The deer wasn't on trail for very long. But he sure came on trail. Interesting enough, there's a skid mark there. Like, it looks like he or she was coming this way, right? And then maybe had to. I don't even know what that is that I keep hearing. Only thing I can think of is that there's water up there. There's a small pond. And I'm guessing it's a little full today. Or recently. So maybe there's some frogs in there. Oh, we went up there one day. I don't remember if that's what caught my attention, that rock up on the tree, that huge rock that was laid on the tree. As you can see up there, that's all. The mountain is big, so it kind of rolls in cascades, and they roll and cascade into each other. So look at that. It's upset. It's like an icicle, but it's because there's dripping water. It's just forming, like, standing up. It's pretty badass. Yeah, there was a lot of water up there actually too, remember? When we went up and went that way, there was a lot going on. It actually looked like they used that ledge quite often, because we walked it back. We walked it back all the way on that tier. I'll do what I did last time. Originally I was thinking about making just short videos, but you guys always ask me for the long ones in the premiere, and everyone likes to hang out. So I'll just film for a little while here, and hopefully it works out. And then what I'll do is I'll just cut out, like I did last time, just section out that anything we do at the cave itself. I'll section that part out. So I know there's also a lot of people who don't want to watch the whole shit. So can't please everyone, but I could try to, give a couple of options. Somebody said on one of the shorts, I don't like the music. And then they went to another one. Said the music helps it be really distinct. Okay, so it's understand this, guys. There's copyright when you use music on shorts and stuff, right? So it takes away any monetization possibilities. So I do it strictly for like artistic purposes. It's just something I do. I enjoy. Like, I like trying to find a song that matches certain things, or I'll be somewhere and be like, think of a song like that goes with it, and I'm like, oh, I'll do that. So what I'm getting at is other channels, somebody will say, can you post with original audio? That's all you gotta say. If you want to see it without, there it is. There's the dragon. Look at that bad boy. Looks like dragon scales, right? So badass. Why are all these trees broke right here? They're like jammed upside down. See what I mean? I'll get closer. There. I mean, that one there obviously fell off, whatever, or broke off and went straight down. But these, 1, 2, 3. There's more up there, upside down too. I mean, these aren't jammed in the ground really like I thought they were originally, but they're pretty flimsy. I've only seen that once or twice, where there's like a full tree. I hear about it all the time. I've only seen it once or twice where there's a full tree jammed upside down into the ground. Alright, there's a couple heart rocks. That's a good thing. Look at that, huh? Those trees are so close to the water. Bend and tuck them right in there. And they're a log. I heard some voices coming from back here earlier. And then at one point they were not being discreet at all. Like, it was like loud. And then just like that, it was a wrap. So I don't know where they were coming from. There might be some like, oh shit. Okay. Awesome. Jeez, slip up. Came right up that root. Huge. I'll take a muddy boot before I... Whoa. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Alright. I hope that's a domestic dog somewhere. If I recall, there's some houses on the outskirts of this place. I don't really know how you get to them or where they are. They might be on houses that are on the main road and they just have like long driveways. Alright, this might be where we gotta go up into the cave. I'm not sure. Let's find out. This is really steep here. There's gotta be a better way. Shit. Yeah, this is a dead end. Oh, I see why. Look at this shit, huh? What the hell? Okay. Imagine. Alright, let's take a look at this. Imagine they could just sit right there and overlook this whole place. So, I can't see up there. Maybe you guys can. See, I'm got a nice root to lean on. It's impressive. I'm glad we pushed through. What the hell? What the hell was that? Sounds like something hissed. Hear that woodpecker up there. I didn't even notice this across the top. We're gonna tread very lightly for obvious reasons. I wonder if this is more of the cave. I don't think so. But what the hell do I know? Something's come through here. 110%. Hello, my friend. Friends. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Look at this easy way out. Phew. This might be the backside of that other cave. Look at that. It's a crawl space. It goes on there. Look at this. Step up and out. That's been dug out. Holy shit, man. Wow, this is a beautiful find. Look at this. This has been used. Look. Wow, what's up here? Look at that. You could see. Alright, hang on. I don't want to step on something too fast. Down here, I don't see anything yet. Hi, my friend. No disrespect, buddy. Look. Look at this. What is it? Are they fingers? Are they... it's so hard to tell. Something maybe grabbed here to pull themselves up. Look at the flat top on it. I guarantee you there's layers and layers of shit like this that are going all the way up. Alright, let's see if there's anything. See this? See how it's like peeled down? If I was gonna climb out of here, I don't know, I'd probably reach, oh look, it is, I'd probably reach for up here. My hand doesn't quite reach without getting dirty. And then again, if you look down here, look at that. Look at that impression right there. Wait, I'm going to show it to you. Look, ready? Look at this one. That one right there is huge. And that one is huge. Alright, let me see if I can weasel my way through here. This is tight. But going under, I could go... Oh, this is the back of the cave. This is where it was. So when we... Remember when we saw the video and I was like, oh, where did he go? The other video. So we're gonna come in. He was ducked down in here. That's a fucking amazing. At least we know what happened exactly. But where's the underground they were talking about? That's what I want to know. Alright, well come. I'm not gonna kill myself to go under. Maybe that's what he meant, underground. Maybe that's what he meant, that he went under and out. You think that's what he meant? You think that's probably exactly what it is. It's probably why he left footprints. Right? I mean, let's not overdo it, right? Let's not overthink it. They also said that they put huge rocks places. This is something that they told me. I had sneaking suspicions for a while, but they'll place huge rocks like boulders in front of things, like entrances and exits. So like at night, for instance, if they're here or whatever, they'll close it off. They know damn well that people can't move it. Humans can't move it without machinery. Shit like that. Oh. Maybe there's more down there that I can't see. Alright, let's try and be squatchy and go under. I'm a little claustrophobic. Alright, this is the cleanest thing I've ever did. Alright, bear with me, guys. Down near. I don't know, like the sun was beaming in. He was definitely doing like light bending, that's for sure. Because I couldn't see him that well at all. I knew that they were back. I knew he was there, but I didn't see him as well. When they guided me back to the video, I really don't think it was that clear prior to, you know, when they told me to go look back. I don't know if a lot of people are with me on that one, but I've seen them alter footage for the better, for the worse, make things appear, make things disappear, make things clear. Don't ask me how. Looks like there might be some fingers in here. I want to see what happens if we stand on this. It's hard to do things one-handed here. Okay. Well. Pretty cool. Okay. Let's see if we can get down over here. Some flowers up here. Interesting. Being that we're banging around in here, I mean, we did have an invite, but regardless, put them up there. Some marbles, some dropped, but yeah, let's just pick them up. Put your head in here. Oh, goes down under this part. Look. Hear it? Oops. Shit, I missed. Alright, let me see if I can. Goes down. See ya. Bear with me here, guys. Trying to find a good place to put the camera. Alright. the way out. Sweet baby Jesus. I forgot. I didn't think I had this thing recording. Apologies, guys. For some reason, I thought I paused it. I was kind of banging around a little bit. That's the way out. I found out that's the way out. I was tying my shoes. Shit. There's some dandelions. Looks like they're mashed up down. I marked it with that stick. I carried the stick down, so if I saw anything decent, I'd mark it. Put apples. I don't know if I showed you this yet. But anyway, I put some marbles up there. Oh yeah, we threw them down. Apples. And that's that. We're going to make our way out of here. I've been giving thanks the whole time for them allowing us here. Showing us. This is kind of, this is kind of some stuff that you could, at least myself, I could talk to myself out of a lot of it. I was like, so for instance, when we looked back here, right, we were down this way and we looked back, the sun was beaming down into that spot and his head was like there, right? Big ass head. If my head was in that gap right there, it would not fill it that way. I should probably go do it, but I'm not gonna. Remember when I was like, oh, there's like a peephole back there too. It's way more than that, obviously, right? Then go out. Obviously, we know they could do a lot more, but I'm thinking when they're in the rocks, it's different. I don't. It might have to do with like the energy. Pretty sure I know, but I don't want until I get it from them. I don't want to. But that's what I was saying about Patty, how she was seen like 'cause she was walking on rocks. Like it's different. It's different than when they build their veil out of the broken trees and all that stuff. This is what I was saying. Is it mashed up? I don't know. It looks like somebody's lunch or something. It's like dandelion. So unless they were just there and they got stepped on or something. People do come in and out of here. Don't get me wrong. Like this is probably a popular trail in the summer. It's beautiful out here. I don't have enough Foster University. This looks like some legs. Maybe some like hip bones. The trail goes that way. Obviously, it goes on, it goes up and around. I'm going to make my way back the way we came. Oh, shit. There's a lot of deer scat down here. Kind of odd. I don't know why they would come and poop under this. Like, almost this overhang is something that appeals to them. I wonder if a cryptid wanted to bait deer in, and they like collected their scat and put it near where they wanted them to go if they would go there. I wonder if that's a thing. I'm not a hunter, so I don't really know but I know people put like deer urine on themselves, so that might be a similar way to do it, right? I doubt hunters collect scat, but who knows? Maybe that's a trick that we just don't know. Maybe we do know and I don't know. The moss on everything gives it such a different look. Every time I go somewhere, I hear somebody say, like, I can't believe that grows there. I didn't know that grew in New York. Everything grows here. That's where we went on. Never done that part before. Pretty interesting. Even that tree with the vines coming down is amazing in itself. Look at this rock, it's huge. This is such a massive boulder. Right? Shoot. My arm probably goes about 7 foot. Oh, here we go. Another muddy scenario. Not as bad. See him now? Right above the green. Not above it, like next. See him? Him or her? That's where we just were, up in there. It's amazing. Some of you who don't know me very well might be asking why we didn't finish that trail and go that way. It's about half a mile or 3/4 of a mile longer, I think, or something to that effect. Anyway, it might not seem it because I'm walking around the woods, but I have a disability. It's a traumatic brain injury, and anyway, it's giving me some pain. Yeah, my back feels like it's gonna throw out because I guess because of all these uneven steps I'm taking. Anyway, so I'm trying to just take the shortest way out. Hopefully this is gonna be a successful exit. Oh. I guess this gets really wet in here because whoever trail stewards the place put these huge rocks in here. They're pretty flat. They did a good job. They did a really good job. It's actually something I want to do in the future. I'm gonna probably have to wait till the babies are in school and stuff like that, or at least down the line when we have the ability to get multiple, 2 vehicles. I have so many cracks across this screen now. The front facing is cracked on the camera. I don't know how it's not. It seems to be taking pretty decent shots still. Anyway, it's become really difficult the past few days. I don't know how I'm going to replace it. It's needed replacing, so I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. I have to. This is, let's hop down here. When I look at that on the camera, it looks like it's like a 2-inch jump. Like it's sometimes when I watch back on the premieres with you guys, I'm like, shit, that just doesn't really look like much there. Such a beautiful place. There's pretty much I'm just aiming you guys up here and to the right and up towards these places. So for those of you who want to like Mark Halstead, for instance, you do a great job, buddy. Thank you. If you zoom, you'll say zoom 2.5 times at timestamp, yada yada yada. DSM, Tall Cloud, like they leave, a lot of you guys do. Gavin, you guys leave very detailed timestamps. Eric, a lot of you guys. Don't take offense if I didn't name you. It's just the people coming to my head at the moment. Probably because they recently commented. Anyway, it helps to leave a timestamp, but it's great when it's detailed. Like, for instance, like, we're at 42:28, right? But this is a... whatever. We'll just talk about what's on the screen, obviously. So, like, there's all the way to that end, all the way to that end, right? So, like you say, somebody says, like, oh, above the, the tree closest, in between the closest tree and the next tree, up on top of the ridge, blah, blah, blah. More detail, the better. Not forcing anyone's hand, just thanking those who do. I say it a lot, but it's so true. There's a lot of people here that are just watching. They don't want to, maybe yet, maybe they will down the line because of things you show them and or things you've helped, point out. But there's a lot of people for now that just want to sit and watch and hang back, and they don't want to put themselves out there in the open. I mean, that is one of the better things about YouTube. For instance, if you're on YouTube right now and you don't want to comment because of your name, maybe you used your real name, you can go in and change it. If you click on your picture, it might be just the letter of your first name, or it might be something that you put a picture of up there, like an avatar or something. If you go there and then you hit the little pencil or pen, the edit pen, in there it'll show you it'll say display name, and you can clear it out. You could hit edit and clear it out, and you could put in anything, something that's not your real name, so that if you do comment, nobody will know who you are. I will. That's about it. Nobody else. I don't think there's ways to trace it. YouTube's made things very good for the creator lately. Like the channel creator, they've made things really, really awesome. I've learned so much lately. I mean, I didn't know there was so much available. It makes things so much easier to manage. You know what, I'm going to do a live stream on some of that shit, because there's a few things that people should probably know. The last time we came in, oh, you know what, I didn't start with you guys till up there. I did a side video. Anyway, I'm going to make my way out of here, guys. It feels good to be on regular ground. I know it's my fault. I should have filmed the whole way, because this would have been like an hour instead of 45 minutes, but to parking. Yeah. Maybe for those of you who haven't seen this view yet, this is a pretty cool area. We'll finish off here. Whew. That goes, something's banging, but the road is out there. Could be a car door slamming. For instance, guys, see those? See those rocks right there? They're huge. I'm sorry, but I don't know many guys who can lift that up. Even pick up one end and stand it straight up against that tree, for instance. So that's one of the things they were trying to show, is like they'll take things like that and just lay them over openings. It's probably exactly what they do in that cave if they spend time in that cave that we were just in. It's probably exactly what they do. I'm just telling you exactly what they told me. I doubt they said all those things together for no reason. So hopefully we'll be speaking together in a premiere, assuming this goes through proper. And then we'll have ourselves a discussion. A nice healthy conversation. Alright, I'm gonna take this last leg solo, guys. As always, thank you. We've cleared the 19,500 mark of subscribers. Pretty sure by the end of February we're gonna hit 20,000. Never thought we'd get this far, guys. I really didn't. Whether you're in the first 20 or you're in the last 20 getting here, thank you. Seriously. I just want to look at you when I said it. No bullshit. Thank you. Appreciate you all.